financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone is well. Ah, my camera. Why you no stay in the right place for your there you go. Needs to go there. Perfect. Oh wow, he's making a Dr. Galibaf is doing big runs in the Middle East, bro. Now he's landed in Azerbaijan to participate in the 20th session of the Union of Parliaments for the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. This is fantastic. How is Israel going to allow this? He's going to get sniped. Something's going to happen. Israel is not going to allow all of them to unite together and stuff. Neither is Saudi or Saudi Israelia or United Arab Israelites. They're not going to allow that either. So this is fascinating, I must say. See where this could go. But we shall see indeed. Did I put it in the Discord that I'm live? Yes, I did. So yeah, NZDJPY. Just get rid of streamer mode because I don't like when it has the streamer mode thing. Appearance? Streamer mode. Streamer mode. Automatic NA streamer mode if OBS is running. Nope. Perfect. No streamer mode now because I don't need that shit. Right, so what are we gonna do? Is the NZDJPY is gonna add to the list. So they're just gonna read up on this Missos thing. Has access to AI basically. That's all it is. That's fine. Nothing important then ultimately. It's nice to see Iran get some good press for once. Right, come on then. Let's buckle down and crack on some analysis. Analysis. Damn it, let's just look at the charts. Need to boot up all the accounts. Well, get rid of JPY. Add a JPY. Get rid of that. Close. Need to do NZDJPY. Have you still got that on the Forex? No, so need to add that. There's no NZD pairs. Okay, NZD NJP. Perfect. Okay, let's post that out of here. NZDJPY. Slap the template on there. Boom boom diggity doo doo doo. 0.25 with 5 per lot. Max risk 0.5. That's all done. Perfect. Out. Go to M2. That should all be done in terms of accounts and stuff being logged into. Actually has a trading journal. Nice. That is so cool. Anyway, it's flipping warm today, man. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do that because it's too damn hot. Take my shirt off. Oh man, it's warm as anything. Whew. Whew. Perfect. NZD-JPY is fantastic for shorts. Wow. We've clearly shifted to the downside here after taking, so all those are valid, but then we come into this here, which is now the push that's going to send us downwards. On this is bad. It's like 0.4, 0.3 to 0.7, which isn't that bad. Actually much better than GJ, I think. Go to lower time frame on everything. It's generated a bunch of highs there. EU come up, took that level up, moved down comfortably. GU did the same thing, but GU took Asia high and then moved down. That was beautiful volume on that as well. I like that. That was clean. The SL would have been ginormous. I think so. Probably wouldn't have been able to get into that. But that did look good. 5.3, 6.5 pip SL. That is a very big. I think I'd only be willing to do max about 5.5, because then 1 to EP1 would be about a 1 to 3, and I think I'm not willing to go much lower than that. We're gonna keep going down, then I think we should see this zone fail. When we do, I think that's when you can go short. So let's just keep this to the side. Keep it at about 5 pips. 50. 6. 3.2R is probably what we're realistically looking at. Just down him. We've had 1 trade in profit, 2 trades in profit. That one wouldn't have happened. And what news have we got today? Okay, not much at all. Very quiet day, in fact. Man, it's warm. Like a Japan governor saying a lot of things, man. There's underlying inflation, risk, applying. Fix system. Basically, they're watching what's going on in the Middle East and they're still prepared to hike if they have to. That's kind of the narrative at the moment still. For JPY, the yen. It's warm. So let's set an alert then on the failure of 1, 2. They will do 10 and 70. So the volume is there. And then USD card. Holding that zone in USD cut. Oh, hello. What's that? What was that? So there was a move to go long, but it was too on M1. Is just no pullback again, and I think the SL was ginormous. If I was to have done the buy stop way, having all them highs and then flew up all the way. So at these lows, moved higher, took out these lows, built a channel, dropped down, created Frankfurt low, moved higher. Of course, you have invalid zone right here. And then you tagged into this invalid zone, search room consolidation, took out these lows here. Now odds are we're going to go higher. I think if you break that level, you can go long. In about 2.5 would be the range. Yen keeps shooting higher on UJ. We're back at 160.17. If an intervention is gonna happen, I would love to be in a short already. There we go. Now, the best zone to go short would be 0.5, 3.24 spread. And we're 2 minutes away from London Open. So that's done now. Now the concern is going to be this invalid zone here. If price goes higher anyway. We do have this low, so it could go down to that low. Not worth taking that, but dollar is coming into 101.5. Could we see a rejection from this level on dollar? Likely. It's likely. Let's see how price behaves. Okay, London open now. What are we gonna see? The minute we come up, took those two highs, tagged into that zone. I didn't want to use that, I wanted to use that one.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
My word, is it warm. That's a case of a bit of a cold breeze. Yeah, it's not having it. It's not having it. But that's out of the question. That's probably going over to New York. Where's the next low? You'd find the next low on eurusd. Rapid. Oh, god damn it. Is no low. That. Bollocks. No good. I can see this continuing further down from here, in all honesty. Now, the only other place you could go short, to be honest, is the London Open High. Hell, is 3 pips, that can work. Only issues is taking a low. Taking a low, Boris almost tagged into that supply zone. What's pound gonna do? Let's have a look at pound really quick on M15. Yeah, that's fine. That can go over to here. And that can go over to 930. Then got that low there. Then it's falling into the zone after that, really. $27 pip move, it could be possible. We did break that invalid zone on NZD JPY right at London Open. Man, I feel tremendously hungry. Got a slice of pizza. Even though it's cold, I'm having it. One slice. So hungry. Oh my god. Lighting is so hard. Oh my god, USD can't touch the zone. I missed that. Flipping hell, man. Oh dear. Can't believe that. Trust me, I was meant to get USD CAD longs, yeah, but I was looking at EUGU. Then I was like, I'm hungry, so I jammed a rapid bite to pizza, and I missed it, bro. That's gonna probably go now. Fuck's sake. That's annoying. I've added NZD/JPY to the pair as well. If you go on the Discord and you look at that picture Neville sent, it's the best yen pair to short in it if of an intervention occurring, because UJ still going up, the yen's still going to intervene. The best fundamental trade is NZD/JPY. I could swing that from an M1 entry if I catch it. Now that's the usual breakout entry off of this one here after taking these highs. On the 1 hour time frame, it's been very bearish. There's a 4 hour low it just took here. It was doing a bit of reaction. I think it's going to come down further, because on the 1 hour we took these highs, took that channel there, took that channel there, did a pullback, took these highs there, then moved down. So on the 1 hour it's clearly bearish, like clearly bearish, and that's the same as 4 hour anyway. If you just look at the 4 hour, it's basically the same story in it, except you took out these highs here before doing all this move down. So now I'm just trying to see if I can hop in an NZD/JPY short in and then swing it from there, sort of thing. NZD card's gone. I'm actually USD card's gone. I'm actually somewhat sad about that. Flipping hell, man. Let me go back on the stream and see what I was doing. How did I miss it, bro? Like, I think I was looking at EUGU, right? Let me have a look. That's actually so depressing. I was looking at you. Then I did GU on full screen. And by the time I come back, is literally tagging into the zone already. Fuck's sake, man. Should have set a limit. Oh well. It's annoying, but what can I say? No point saying too much, it would have just been break even now. Because it was hot yesterday, Alan. Proper hot. And they're not got AC. I'll take a 90-yard trade. My house is too hot, man. For you. I'm looking at USD/JPY. That's moving higher and higher, which is good, because then the higher USD/JPY goes, the more likely we're going to catch an intervention. I just need a clean entry on NZD/JPY and then just hold on to that entry for as long as possible. and then hope that they do an intervention, and then NZD/JPY just does a fat move as well, and then swing it for a good week, maybe 2, like for a good bit of time, and just try and maximize that move. USD CAD's just going higher and higher and higher, which is annoying. Now it's just come taking these lows here. Lovely little wicked rejection right there, and then pushing higher. Peak, man, peak. GJ would be good as well, but NZD/JPY's got much better spreads. With 0.9 spreads right now, flipping hell. Spreads are hovering between 0.3 and like 0.7, 0.8 on ACG, which is fine. Just see what's like on funded next. Oh, it's like 1.5 pip spread, man. What about CAD JPY then? GJ is 1.3. What about CAD? CAD JPY is about 1 pip. Slightly better than NZD. Yeah, spreads are bad on yen at the moment, man. Ugh. Oh, it looks like USD card would have gave a break even anyway. It would have tagged and then just given a break even right now and then slapped it. That's perfect. I'm happy with that, thank God. At least I didn't miss out on a profitable trade. That would have been annoying. And now I see it as these highs have been taken. First leg, second leg. I wouldn't take that because it just tagged straight into there. It's a good example of what's gonna happen if you take it on the breakout and there's a demand zone right there. What's it gonna do? This is good for data. What's it gonna do? GBPJPY slowly trying to push down. GJ. I'm not gonna do that, just keep it there. Alan, have you heard what Iran's doing? They're going around to all the Muslim countries trying to create a coalition of Islamic cooperation or something, innit? It's really good, man. Really, really good. You don't know? Yeah, they were just like talking to like Egypt and Turkey and stuff like that and Pakistan. And now, you know that Dr. Ghalibaf, the one who's heading like most of these negotiations and stuff, him and Foreign Minister Agharashi have now landed in Azerbaijan. Now they're in Azerbaijan chatting to them lot. It's not even just the Arabs, it's like that entire section. Even like the Turks and stuff like that. It makes sense, doesn't it? Now the sanctions are lifted, say to them, listen, work with us, innit? Basically. And they can show to them, like, basically, like, you know, in a bit of a sense, like, look, if you fuck around, we're gonna slap you, innit? Look what we do, look what we did to America type thing. So they can kind of show, like, look, you know, it's a deal that's gonna work out good for all of us, but if you mess around, we'll slap you, innit? Like we did to America. I think it's to show a strength also, if that makes sense. Interesting times, mate. Interesting times. USD JPY is pushing up. Come on, push higher. NZD, you just keep coming down because you're weak. So took these lows, moved higher, took those lows, moved higher, took that channel, moved lower, took that channel, moved lower, took that channel, moved lower. London Open comes, takes that low. Is that moving higher? Slowly, yeah. So there's no entry on M1 here. Because that is ginormous. The breakout entry is 7.7, so it'd be like 9, basically 10 pips. And would have been 2.3R. Interesting. I'm enjoying collecting this data, Alan, because it seems to be quite interesting. Indeed. Very, very much interesting. On the 4 hour on NZD JPY and figure out where would like EP level be and stuff. I think on the daily chart might be easier. If we were to fib, we can just A 5% drop. Would it have been too late because you already had a 480 pip drop? Would that be too late on this? Even if I take it from M1, it's fine. Asia low bounce, either it's gonna fall from here or it's gonna keep going higher. We're playing a very tight range for Asia. Asia only did that's control button in it, damn it. Asia only did a 17 pip range on this and GU. First leg, second leg break structure. Let's just have a quick look here. How would that have looked? 4.9 would have been a 6 pip SL, and you would have been nah. So nothing as of yet on the charts. Although CAD looks like it's going to keep higher, keep going higher. EEG looks like it's going to keep going lower, but this price action right now is very misleading. UJ, I'm expecting it to go higher for sure. NZD JPY is just being a bit lackluster. What, have you got any NZD news? Have you got any NZD news? No. CPI. I think AUD and NZD are linked to gold, so if gold does well, they do bad. As long as the economics keep going, then that should be good. What are you saying, Alan? You on the way to work, yeah? Been a long move here, man. 50 minutes he would have been just sat around 1 hour. Alan, if you're still here, what's going on with your Land Rover, man? What's the score with the Land Rover? Oh.
voice news disconnected.
Well, that's definitely working then. Just seems to be the case where there's hardly any news today. We got German IFOs at 9 o'clock. I think that's it then. We don't really have much news today at all. Why naked, bro? It's hot, man. It's really hot, Sahad. Really hot. Bosnia vs Qatar. Come on, Bosnia. Colombia vs Dominican Republic. Colombians gonna destroy them. Croatia vs Panama. Drop the camera down a bit. Shut up, you little pervert, man. I swear. What is this guy, man? The match of the day 3 today. Bosnia, Switzerland vs Canada, Scotland vs Brazil. Oh, Scotland vs Brazil. Brazil's gonna. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Be a good game. Morocco vs Haiti. Morocco is gonna win. Ecuador vs Germany. Germany should pound them. Netherlands vs Tunisia. Netherlands should have them. Japan vs Sweden. Sweden should have them. Norway vs France. France should destroy them. Spain vs Uruguay. Spain should just annihilate them. Cape Verde vs Saudi. Please, Saudi lose. Egypt vs Iran. Oi, Egypt's playing Iran. I'm sorry, Egypt. I want you to lose. Panama vs England. England should have that. Yeah, oh yeah, the flipping Scotland and Iran. Oh, I forgot you're half Scottish and Iranian. Yeah, go on Scotland, go on Iran. Scotland's got a good chance here because I think they got decent Scottish players in it. I don't know any, but I know they have a good team. England, has their team become bad? So they still have some good players in their team, no? Algeria vs Australia, Jordan vs Argentina. Argentina is going to destroy Jordan. Portugal versus Colombia. Ronaldo's got that. I hope Argentina don't win. The proper Zios. Proper Zios. Oh, what's this song? Biggie and Feiruz. Is a Biggie and Arabic mix. Oh, they not got a good team. That's unfortunate, man. I thought Scotland might have had like, a semi-decent team in it. Hamas commends Iran's steadfast on backing the Palestinian cause. People, listen, I heard a rumor, yeah, I don't know how true it is. I heard a rumor that now Iran has included Gaza in the negotiations as well. Oh, you know how they're proper supporting Hezbollah and stuff like that. Apparently they mentioned Iran's Gaza as part of the agreement, but I've not seen anything yet. I've just heard, yeah, I've not seen any confirmation of that from anyone or any sources, but I'm just hearing it. Love it. You know, I back them 100%, man. I back them 100%. Look what they're doing, bro. Yeah, I was in their discussion. Sahad, shut up, man. We're being serious for a moment. What was I gonna say? They've sustained a war where they've done great damage to the enemies, like, you know, the Emiratis and the Qatar and the explosions in the LNG and stuff like that. Sahad was doing meat spin. Make me daddy. Dirty guy, man. Anyway, Iran's done a war with them. Iran slapped obviously UAE, slapped Israel, closed the Strait of Hormuz down, made the whole world basically feel pain, yeah. And now they've won the war pretty much. It's been like pretty much confirmed that they won, yeah. Now they're running around to all the Muslim countries saying, listen, you lot, yeah, basically get together now, or like, wait, Iran, bro, look what we did to USA and Israel, yeah, you're ready for it, basically, ultimately, yeah. They're saying that, or they're saying like, you can have that, or you can just, let's just unite together. And now they're like, listen, hands off Lebanon, Also, hands off Palestine. Like, you know what? Back them for the Caliphate, bro. I want Mujtaba to be the new Khalifa. I really want Iran to go to war with Saudi, bro. I really want that. I want them to slap the shit out of them so hard, yeah, that they take rights over managing Mecca Medina, bro. Because I'm telling you, all the free passes Saudi gets, yeah, because of Mecca Medina and all the bullshit they do, I'd rather, like, Iran get that sort of leniency whenever they do something bad. Which they do, but if you get what I mean. So I had doing helicopter with the 2-inch Indian toothpick. Also want them to take over the United Arab Israelites as well. Something happens within me when Bashy talks politics. Oh yeah, let's get it, lad. Wait, I got one for you, lad. I got one for you. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
William Knife Man. William Knife Man.
Bashi, new general for IRGC. Bro, politics is my game. Put me next to Agarashi, bro. We'll both be making sly comments. You want to come to war? You want a grand invasion? We are ready. We are ready. Calm. We are ready. I remember that interview. Grand invasion. He just sat there laughing. I'm like, you want to do a grand invasion of Iran? And then he just sat there laughing. That day, bro, I fell in love with Agarashi. I was like, this guy's a G. Proper G. Bashi's Rocket League CEO. Okay, listen. My best friend's missus, yeah, who's also a good friend of mine, she's a stay-at-home mom. Now, she loves Rocket League too much. It's okay, like, it's not bad if you play casually, but I'm talking there's an addiction here, bro. Even for me, it's a bit much, man. I prefer playing COD. Oh, what's this? Why is there no translation? Whoa, Saeed, Professor Morandi made a post just now and there's no translation for it. Why have they done that? Oh, Abu Ubaida, I'm in peace with whoever is at peace with you. I wage war on those who wage war against you. All the time, this guy. Now, I've been playing Rocket League once or twice. It's funny, you know. It's a bit tricky, but once you get under the hang of the game, it's alright. Until you come across the sweat, then it's like, nah, I like this, bro. Iran just buried the era of anyone dictating to free nations. The Iranian nation showed that the time for imposing one's will on independent nations is over, and you saw how the world admired this perseverance and victory. That's what Ghalibaf said. That's like an international meeting or something? Is that like the United Nations or something? I don't know. I don't know where he's doing that press conference. Interesting. Interesting. Arrives in Baku to attend and address the PUIC meeting. What's PUIC? He was in the PUIC meeting in Baku. I don't know where Baku is. Not sure where that is. Europe sea waves drives electricity prices to new highs as demand soars. Bro, do you know in France they're gonna get 44 degrees? Oh no, they had 44 degrees and like 2-3 people passed away from heat stroke or something like that, or something I seen on news. But it's 44 in mud. Oh, Iran's Ghalibaf. We cannot neglect the issue of Palestine. The future of the region lies in cooperation. Oh, these must be from that Baku meeting he's had or whatever, the press conference. Fascinating. Anyway, go back to here. So anyway, I'll sort kind of JPY for NZD JPY. This has got more of a bearish setting on there. That makes sense to short this more and then carry the fundamentals on that. GJ somehow flew up with no entry, like it just kind of went.
Well, hello everybody. This is
If we look at this being a high, this being a low,
you're a real day trader. Go real time at financialjuice.com /
you can do 5.2 pips there on the breakout. Bro, look at this, man. Honestly, buy stops, sell stops are really good, man. We're literally getting fuck all pullbacks on M1. They would have tagged and then flew straight up to a 1.5R. Depending on the win rate I get with this, I might be able to risk more money, you know. If I can get a solid win rate on this, with this entry model and stuff like that, then I might be able to risk like 1%, 1.5%. If it goes for like 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. So Haz, I just want to say something. Why are you a dirty guy, man? Oh, you bloody dirty boy. I'm gonna hold this for New York, because I think New York might have some news. No news in New York either. Oh god, look at, yo, that's really choppy on M15. Oh yeah. What do you mean? What's that? Tell me, bro, what the? So missed the buys here, but would attack break even anyway. I don't know, I've not really seen that sort of stuff in it on X. Send me on IG, I'll have a look. It's hard, bro. Like, I have an honest question, yeah. When's the last time you got laid, bro? Because you're moving a bit mad. And it seems to be a consistent thing as well. Last week, no cover. This guy. Okay, so it's come up, taking these highs out on NZD/JPY. Come on now, bro. Now that you've taken those highs out, come down, break structure, and then just allow me to catch an entry on that. And then hopefully I can hold it for a few days. Because almost every day's been bearish, man. Bearish day, neutral day, bearish day. Well, neutral day as well. Bearish day, neutral day, bearish day, bullish day, bearish day, bullish, neutral, bearish, neutral, bearish. Yeah. Come on. Send it to me on IG, Alan. Oh yeah, you're driving in it, so you can't. I'm a bit confused by why euro's going up and pound. I'm suspicious. Yeah, you built these lows, took them here, had a lovely move up. I can see that. But there's no entry there at all. Yeah, 2-year-old son, I got you. His name's Sahad also. I want to order Horizon 6. But I'm pretty sure that everyone's going to hop onto GTA. So the tag there, gone up to there, pull back, broke structure here. That'd have been break even now. So around the 1.52 pip break even. Yeah, there's always a way to get free games and stuff in it. So now, if you're gonna go bearish, you'll go bearish from here, from the London Open supply zone right there that euros have got. Pound is much stronger than euro at the moment. What are you saying, Sahad? Warzone after this, yeah? Bro, Alan's a very slim guy, bro. Very slim guy. Very slim guy. Gotta be careful with him. If you like cough too hard, you might break down into pieces. 18 pips on GU, yeah, which is nice. Like GU's got volume, EU's got literally half. USD card 6 pips, yeah, that is really bad. That makes sense as well because USD card's not doing a lot, is it? When you look at it, I mean, look at that. It's not doing a lot. UJ It's coming back near the intervention level, bro. I swear it is. Wanted to bring back the chart, innit? Right, so let me put this on Monday's low. There. I need to set an alert over here. So 1739 7 if we can get another intervention around here. That's our 20 pip range. The minute I get an M1 set up on UJ, I'm going to take it. But the minute I get one on NZD, I'm going to take that also because that's generally bearish. Tissue under this, my sister, is pretty vibrating so hard. Stopped. Okay. Yeah, I think intervention's gonna be soon. Gotta be patient for it. I'm gonna move here. As the interesting 7 pip candle at 741. I think that's where someone said something. 741 740 741. Right, 741. Nah. Nice try though. Yo, Mwangi.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Karibu ndugu. You said more stuff. Iran is ready for peace. But he stressed there is no regional vision that can succeed if Palestine is ignored. Perfect. Iran put the region on notice for normalization and refocused everyone on Palestine. Very good. Very, very good, Ghalibaf. I love this guy, man. He's talking good stuff. Really, really good stuff. Markets are still a bit, they're not that good today, Mangi. There was a, oh, I meant to leave the trade on. There was a trade on M1 on USD card right here. It broke up, gave break even, then tagged it not long, and then it started to slowly go upwards. There's not much on USD card. EU and GU shorts, you could have done with the sell stop, but the SL would have been really big because of the volume and stuff. So yeah, GU similar sort of issue. Also GU shorts would have worked, but the SL was big. EU wouldn't have because it tagged an invalid zone, so that'd have been a bit tricky. If we did the buy stop here on this where this is right now, it would have had break even as soon as price broke that high, and then it would have been about a 2 pip SL to cover commissions depending on the cost of commissions. I would have just been tagged. Oh, there you go. Perfect. GPIP SL might be alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? No. No. That makes sense. Took out all these highs, generated these highs here, took them out, and then moved on. Oh. Oh no. It's gonna go without me. No. Oh, that's so unfortunate, man. Oh. Damn it. So basically, Mangi, you know, because this is gonna be more of a macro / fundamental play. NZD JPY is the weakest yen pair, so I thought I'll trade that. There was a breakout entry here initially, which is what I had this marked as. Oh, I might as well put that back on. It could just do it on the break of that, I suppose. First leg, internal, second leg. Let's do it on there then instead, I suppose. 3.8, 4.8, 5.5.
Gemini for business climate 85.6, higher than forecast 85.5.
So anyway, that there would have been the sell stop entry. Consolidation there.
87.
Here would have been an M1 entry.
86.3. IFO expectations 84.1, 84.1, lower than forecast 84.8.
German IFOs generally come out quite good. That's good for Germany. That's good. The day Palestine becomes free, I'll quit. Let's hope that soon, man. The Mongi said out of XAU buys, waiting for more. Oh yeah. Have a look. USD card still going up. NZDJPY basically said, peace out, Bash. Your analysis was correct. You were right on shorting me. You read price action absolutely beautifully, but I'm just not going to give you an entry. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, look at that go. Look, flipping hell, man. This is what I was waiting for on JPY, on NZD. What do I have? That's me. Reading price action good, yeah, but I'm telling you, the only way to get in these trades is buy stop, sell stop. Honestly, on low time frame, it's the only way to get in. There's zero pullback. Oh, USD CAD's going as well. Dollar's doing a push, innit? Wow. Was there any way to get re-enter that trade after it would have taken you out? Because you would have entered here, break even here, tagged here. Building all this trend line there, all that channel there. Nothing I could have done on that. Nothing I could have done. Alan, what's going on with the Land Rover? Any news? The EU flew up here, tagged into the London open supply zone, which is also at Asia low. Kind of a break and retest level right there, if anything. And then sold off. Don't know, I'll get it. Yeah. And then I suppose you could say, yeah, you could say London took that high there as Euro come and tagged into that supply zone, and then you had the sell off there and then there as well if you wanted shorts, and that's fair actually. That new Warzone mode resurgence, Dixon my ass. Where's the
William Knife Man.
Yeah, we will. I'll stream it if you want. No, I'm joking. Yeah, of course. I already made the stream as well. I already made it and stuff like that. For set 9:45. I can edit it earlier if I need to, innit? But yeah, we'll play. As long as Sahad's free at that exact time, then yeah. Yeah, look at that, man. Look, flipping bomb ras club bomba club, man. That would have been up 2.8R on that, and then 2R on here, so it would have been like 4.9. 5R basically. And then you had that short there, which I was not sure about. Because London Open shorts, I do like them, but I want it to tag at that level, not like this, like later on sort of thing. I just don't like that. Price has done a 7-pip move away. It's consolidated for 43 minutes. You know. So yeah, I'm not keen on that. Find the music for me in here, man, and then I'll put it on because it sounds like it'll be hilarious to do. There was one, yeah, that I was listening to. It's where they like sing about Imam Ali and stuff like that, yeah. And even that one I really enjoyed listening to. Let's hope I don't get copyrighted, man. How far are we away from this? So we're 14 pips away from there and then 40 from here. So that can go to Thursday, 9:30 in the morning. Perfect. Let's look at all the assets, by the way. Silver's at 61. Oh, it dipped to 60.2. Almost hit 60 on silver. Which was interesting. Bonds are down. VIX is down 1%, but it's still at 19, which is quite good. Indices are more neutral. Gas is down. It's below 100 finally. Oil is almost below 70. So close to below 70. Rome is back at pre-war levels. Nice. Right, let me... yeah. I'm all about this vibe, yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. This hits hard. Sydney Opera House. The comments are hilarious, bro. The comments. Oh, it's good, you know. I like that bit. Oh, it sounds menacing, bro. Menacing. Keep it on the charts as well, man. This is hard, you know. Nah, that's so hard, you know. I can't lie. That is so good. Yeah, that's so good, bro. Nice shout on that one, Alan. That's straight in my favorites. So we're still moving down. This is beautiful, bro. Look at that, man. If you were in both positions, you would be up like 5-6 or something like that, and then that would be swung for at least 3 days, 4 days or something like that. Magnificent. Oh, hello. What's happened there? Got 6 pip candle there. Hello. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? There's a move coming right there. Look at that. That's a news event right there, lads. That's a news event. With the way that volume was coming in, that's some sort of news. Was that was just starting to go, mate. Three minutes it dropped 14 pips. What happened? What the hell happened? USD cards on the up and up. USD JPY took out that high. Man, look at that. Manipulation, eh? Something's going on. because that just fell, bro. Like it just peace out, bye. You know, I just did a move. But I like USD JPY. If it starts to give a short, I want to take that. For NZD JPY was brilliant, but see how both times would have worked on the sell stop. It wouldn't, because it did no pullback, bro. Why can't I get that? Oh. Now that would have had a break even after that break there. That one would have probably gone break even the same time, and then just see if it ran from there. Or well, even fell from there would be the better wording. We've tagged that low. This was that low. Or that demand zone. The same thing would have been there. Would have been there. Sell stop only. No buy sell limit. Oh my, it's hot. You just done a good move so far. If it creates structure and then drops, I'm gonna get into that. I don't think I would have taken partials on that yet, even though it's like 6.7, 6.8 R. I don't think I would have taken partials yet. It's interesting how these markets are moving since Trump's come, man. They're behaving so different. How's gold looking anyway, Mangi? And Sahad, did you trade yesterday, New York Stock Exchange Open? How was it? Have a quick look at gold and silver. Silver looks much better for longs. Silver looks much better for longs. So you were in buys. When were you in buys? I'm guessing from this little bit here, yeah? So like an hour ago. 15 minutes ago. Because there's like a 100 pip move up. That would have been the only buys I could think of. $4061. Oh, so early. Yeah. That makes sense. Put them lows, build up, drop down. Wait a second, this is a grey box. This is the grey box we've been looking at, right? Yeah, it is. It is. I'd be looking at something like that just to catch a 2.5, like a 3 to 3.5 hour trade, because ultimately we're still going to be bearish, and then clone that, reverse that, and then price does why didn't it do reverse? Anyway, and then take a short from here. Further down. Because I think by this point, are you bare naked? Whoa, a random question. Yes, I'm naked. Don't get excited over it. Anyway, so you could take a long here up to there, then take a short there all the way back down further. Because I think at that point, you'd know if the fundamentals are going to look like we're going to see a really low gold, like a short, like we're going to be shorting gold for longer. That's all, because I'm hoping that, well, we have already had a bounce here. We already had a bounce up there. Now we're coming back down, so I don't know if it's going to bounce up again. I think it'll probably keep coming down and fail this zone now. Yeah, that would have been good initially, like this here. Right, so put it on there. Like 1,000 pip SL. Then you would have gone all the way to, you could do it on the touch of that level, or to that low there, 3 point something R, and then do another 1,000 pip here, and then target these lows. That's not bad actually. 39.30. Yeah, I think if gold takes this low here, which is at 40.23 or 40.24, my target today for sell is 41.22. $41.22. Hey, what's going on here? Oh shit, that. Hey, that 41.22. That's not going to happen in London session. A London session you'd be lucky to get around 46.86 or like 40.95. Yeah. We're gonna get a bit of a bounce from this level going higher, because that's what happens. And whenever you come into these levels, you get a bounce higher, you generate liquidity, take it, move higher, take out these highs, and then you come back down again, innit? And then you take out that high, and then you come back down. Then you take out these highs, and then you come back down. Then you take out these and then you come down. So yeah. Yeah, I prefer silver for buys. The buys on silver look better. High vibe buy. Good name, man.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Are you asking me or what? I'm just viewing the market and just giving my opinion, that's all. Silver looks really good. Oh, you're asking me? Oh, I've not back tested. I was just reading price action as it is. That zone I was looking at was a 4-hour zone or something. Hey. Yeah, there. I marked it out already ages ago. This zone here, innit? It's a 4-hour zone. It's the only support level we've got. Price already bounced off of it on the 1 hour here. Did a lovely 10, 100, 1,000, 3,180 pips. 3,210 pips. And then I was just saying, obviously on the lower time frame, that's M5 in it. We're just looking at how price is moving. But silver is already telling you, yeah, that you're not gonna go higher on gold, I don't think. Like, we've taken that high on silver. We've taken these highs there on silver. We've taken this low on silver, so it's pushed up higher. It's kind of met this break retest level, and now it's coming back down again. Reading price in hindsight is really easy, just forecasting it's a bit harder. Why make a donation? Make a donation. I'll make you $10 happy time. $10 happy time, baby. No, if we have a heat wave in the UK, it's really hot right now.
William Knife Man. Wow! Beautiful!
Let's go. I want that shillings, mate. I want the Kenyan shillings. Go on, Mwangi, pull out the shillings. You rich man from Kenya. You rich man from Kenya, give me the money. I sound like Chinese boy. Anyway, it's really hot. We have a heat wave at the moment. In France, it's 44 degrees and some people died because of heat. In the UK, oh bloody hell, yeah, we're flying. Look at that now, look. Like, there's no M1 entry, like nothing at all. USD JPY is dead. Oh, hello. Yeah, but it's India. That's normal, man. Like in India, it's always like crazy hot, bro. In the UK, the heat is very different, bro. Very different heat. Our heat is diabolical. Because you have so much humidity in the air, it makes it feel really sweaty and disgusting. I'll support you anyway. That's fine. Yeah. So USD card flew all the way up and then just flew all the way back down with no entry unless you use a sell stop again. I don't know what the markets are doing, bro. They're being a bit weird. NZD JPY. Get rid of that. Get rid of that and get rid of that. Nah, bro. I missed a trade on USD card. Bought it, tagged break even anyway, and then it flew up. So that wasn't anything amazing. But I'm like gathering data in it for the buy stop sell stop method. And bro, it seems to be really, really, really good. I've also swapped had JPY for NZD JPY. If you look at the Discord, Neville sent the Edge Finder reading, and that's something I would look at high time frame. I trust the reading on there because you're just compiling the data and it's giving you like a general, you know, here's a rating of the currency, whatever. I will backtest gold on 30-minute entry and 2 and 4 hour to watch like 1 to 2 with 0.5. Do on 30-minute or 15-minute. Don't do 2 hour and 4 hour on gold. Do 30-minute, find the average, and then see if there's a way you can swing from that 30-minute position. That might be better. Yeah. Wait, Basho, you're not wearing a shirt? Give us a peek, love. You're a dirty guy. Wait. 4 hour, 30-minute. I would just, honestly, I wouldn't even go to 4 hour. I would just do like 1 hour, 15-minute. Just go for 1 hour, go to 15-minute. Or just do like, 4 hour and 30-minute. But 4 hour time frame, I mean, it's a bit high, but I suppose your high time frame anyway. But 4 hour and then switch to 30 is fine. Do you think gold should not you need high time frame? I don't think you do on gold. I don't think you do. I'll prove that you don't need high time frame, man. You just need to understand how to read low time frame. It's just gold is a bit more trickier. I would need to spend more time on gold. But I think gold's overrated anyway. I don't personally like it. I don't know why people hype up for silver. Silver's way better. Do you think gold should not be trade between starting on new zone like New York or London due to volume? Well, I don't understand. What do you mean? Do you mean like don't trade the London Open or something like that? Is that what you mean? You can can refer to the higher time frame if you're looking for the bias of like you only want to go long. Yeah, sure, but for me, I buy or sell whatever. Yeah, you can trade it, but the thing is that with the lower time, when you're looking at London open session, New York open session, you cannot look at 30-minute time frame. You can't look at 30-minute time frame. It's too high time frame to see what's actually happening on the London open volume. That's why you need to go to like M1, M2, M5 minimum. You shouldn't really go higher than M5 if you want to trade that open session volume. But what you could do is have a 30-minute candle on one side, have a 5-minute candle and see how the 30-minute looks and then the M5 looks, and then try to figure it out from there. Silver's better. 150% silver's better. More percentage gain and stuff like that. Way more upside potential. The lowest R trade is 3 minutes for snipers. Yeah. Everyone has their own way. Everyone has their own way. Right, I'm gonna hop over to the gaming stream now. So you can carry on talking in the gaming stream if you want. They treat them like gold and silver, very volatile assets. Treat them exactly the same. They also move in like those sessions and stuff. You see, look, gold is still coming down. Don't gotta put on the top before you go gaming. Bashy has a lotion next to him. I just can't prove it. The only reason people hype gold is because half of the time they are trading with the $50 account gambling, so one commodity that allows them to open position. Yeah, I agree, bro. Gold is very overrated. Honestly, it's very overrated, bro. There's much more harder assets to trade. Or better assets. I think yen is better than gold. 150%. GJ outperforms yen. Outperforms gold in terms of like tradability and stuff like that. It's a trader's market, bro. Gold is an investor's market. And I don't know why they love gold so much. I don't get it. Like, I think it's like, bro, I trade gold in it, bro. I think it's one of those ego things. Like, to me, that doesn't mean anything. Like, you trade gold, okay. So what? Like, I don't get it. Like, is that supposed to be like something cool? Like, gold is better than everything else. I don't understand. Like, I don't get it. I just don't see like where the hype is or whatever. I don't get it. But silver is my favorite, man. Oh, silver's a G. Top G. Oops, that's fine. We don't need to go further from there. Use GBPJPY. Can leave that there. Use the card. Yeah, I can imagine Nasdaq is better. US 30. Gold moves fast for money. No, it's just it's an asset with it's the value of gold, bro. It's 4,000 something, 5,000 something, yeah. So it has a lot of like movement within the value, if that makes sense. And because that value in the movement, you just see a lot of money. That's all it is. Like GU London Open has 30 pip volume. Gold London Open has a 250 pip volume. So naturally, you're gonna see more movement in it. That's all it is. But it's because the value of gold is like 4,500, 5,500. That makes sense. And indices are completely different. Like they're at 50k or the Nasdaq, yeah. But That's an indice, but it's very different to a commodity. Tomatoes, whichever. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna cut the stream here and I'm gonna open up the one for the gaming one in like 2 minutes. Peace out. Drop a like, all that stuff if you haven't in it, boys. And then I'll open the stream for the gaming one literally like in 2 minutes. I've already made the stream, so you can just go hop on there now. And then we can carry on talking there about whatever, innit? Peace. Stand up before you go, shut your mouth, lad.